1212.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control
Hello,
of your
Thomas.
investments.
Hello, Jonan. How is you?
How are you?
Very good,
Good.
very good. Thank you so much. All right. So, can you see me? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
100%.
Very nice.
Looking very
Nice.
handsome.
Thank you so much. You're looking good too.
Smash the like button.
In it, bruv. I tried to stream on Instagram as well, but it doesn't really look good on a phone screen because well, you can only see just a fraction of the screen. Anyhow, so right now I was in gold long position. It's running in 53 pips of profit, but U.S. jobs data is coming up, and I could book in £800 profit. It's not sure it's going to go any higher from here because we are trading below the daily pivot. What do you think?
Depending on the data.
Mm-hmm.
But
True.
yeah, I want to stop here, technically.
Secure a bit of profit, definitely.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah.
We have the weekly pivot right here as well, right here at about 2650, right?
Yeah,
52.
it's bang on there, right?
Yeah, so that's going to be when you have the alignment of the daily and the weekly pivot so close to each other, probably right. It's gonna encounter some difficulty going up.
Oh. How boring.
But I don't know.
Yeah.
I have an indicator on my MT4 that draws out some support and resistance zones that are incredibly accurate and that don't show up on any of my trading view indicators. But it's also showing some pretty strong support right here at, let's blow it
Do you
up.
know why? Because price is ranging for a week now.
Yeah.
Well, actually, not a week, but
3 days.
3 days. Sorry, 3 days. Yes, the whole week.
Yeah.
That's why we have the weekly and the daily pivots so tight. And if you look to the left, I think, and let me just show you my trading view. It's easier to draw there. what I think is going to happen is that we're going to see a more downward movement. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting. So actually this channel is like this.
Yeah.
And
It would make sense for it to just take one more drop. So much liquidity.
something like this. Okay, I'm gonna close down the.
Leave a
Do
little
I want
one.
to close it? You know, this is the decision. Like, what if it goes any higher? What if I'm wrong?
Well, if data comes out, it could just completely skyrocket. We have no idea.
Exactly. Anyway,
Who cares
55
about
pips.
technicals?
55 pips is something that no one can take away. So I would rather book something certain, which I can spend later on, rather than, you know, wasting it. It's 52 pips. So closing it right now.
Go for it.
Lesson learned yesterday. Didn't close it.
Yeah.
I mean, 95 pips. Who is an idiot to leave it in the market? Do you know
Me.
anyone? Because I know.
Hi, Thomas. How are you? Quick question.
Hello.
Hi. Do you record these sessions or only the morning sessions?
Only the morning sessions, but lucky for you, you can rewatch it on YouTube.
Every trading session could be watched on YouTube?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Why?
Two reasons actually, because in the discussions
You miss me during the day, so you want to watch me
yeah,
first.
this is the main reason, so it's three reasons. So the second reason is during the discussions you say like a lot of golden nuggets, and sometimes the sound
Oh.
cut off. I get a call, so I want to catch on what you're saying. The second reason, sometimes you take quick decisions like I close this for this reason, I do this for this reason. So sometimes I don't catch it, and I want to learn. So if I can rewatch it and see why you took the decision, what did you say at this time? I think this would be very helpful. So if I can rewatch it, it would be great.
Yeah, absolutely. And even you can on YouTube you can find the previous events and you rewatch it. So for example, if you have CPI coming up or NFP coming up this week, you can browse it and look the previous or the last, I don't know, 10, 15, 20, 30 NFPs that we traded
Okay.
live.
Okay, let me check it. Alpha FX.
I'm very organized and professional in this.
Yeah, I see. True, very true actually. Live sessions. Okay, found them. Perfect. Thanks, man.
You're welcome, brother. How can I change the ratio, the stream size on Instagram? Because right now,
I think you might have to. Are you sharing your computer screen, obviously?
no. So what I'm doing is I'm using OBS and then
Yeah.
Restream.io. So I'm sending a signal from OBS to Restream, and Restream sends it to Telegram, Instagram, and YouTube.
Oh, wow.
So actually, I'm
Anno-
free.
Annoyingly, I think you'll have to do it on the screen that you're recording. You have to make sure it's the same size as phone screens, which
Nah.
is something. Because if it like changes the ratio, it might mess up the quality and it might go all weird.
Yeah, I think Instagram is not very good for these kind of streams.
Mm. You can always
Anyhow,
set up another phone, recording over your shoulder, so you can see your screen.
nah, that would be just too much.
Yeah.
Keep it simple. I might join Twitch. Is it worth streaming on Twitch?
What's the other one? There's another
OnlyFans?
one. No. There's one where you don't have to have any. There's basically no rules. Like you can do what you want. Whereas
Oh, no,
Twitch
no,
would
no.
have
I like
certain
those.
rules. Mm.
There's Rumble. I don't know if you're on about that one.
Yeah, yeah.
Rumble.
A lot of creators move over to there.
Really?
I think
Is it because of the rules?
Yeah, Zoom just like no, not Zoom.
It's a very find a lot of right wing content over there.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
True story.
I've got no wings. I like walking. I've got no wings.
Music sounds like it's a game show.
Yeah, I was just thinking that how annoying is this song? So, yeah, talking about gold, everyone is excited whether to buy or sell. And for some reason, I'm expecting more downward continuation, more drop to 26.30 actually. So I'm expecting price to come out from, to break this trend line a little bit and come out from the bull flag channel. Also, I'm in position on US 30. So on gold, I'm still waiting for the data to come out, but I'm expecting $2,630. On US 30, I've been shorting since this morning. I was in profit of 185 pips or something. Now it's back to 20 pips. It retraced a little bit, so if you want to enter, well, I can't tell you if you want, to enter because it's not. I can't give you financial decisions. But if I were to join again to a position on US 30, maybe this one would be a good opportunity. But bear in mind that we're still consolidating, and the consolidation is 3 weeks now. US 30 is consolidating for 3 weeks. I mean, look at this shit. Before that, it was just going up so nice, of course, with the eventual pullbacks, but now it's just consolidating. And my longer term bias on US 30, if ceteris paribus everything goes well, is a bit of pullback, but we need that kind of data for it. Anyhow, so I'm shorting US 30. You can see the entry. It's very close, so maybe it's time to enter. Historically, or fun fact, did you know that I'm the least profitable during earnings season? It's true story.
You're most profitable in summer.
No, I had some terrible summers. Last summer was absolutely dreadful. It was awful. This summer was, mate. I almost could buy a Lamborghini, but not yet.
Yeah. You can buy 10. US dollar is on course for its best week in 6 months.
So should we sell this 150 pips on gold? Because right now, if price does what I'm expecting, then we can catch 184 pips.
Yeah,
Good.
you can catch from where it is now down to about 44, I think.
I dived in with a cut.
US labor market signals continuing to show brisk job creation.
Brisk.
Brisk. How does that?
What does it mean, brisk?
Yeah, what the hell is that?
I know beef
Brisk
brisket.
is like cold. Like if you say it's a brisk morning, I think that just means it's a bit chilly.
Brisk would mean quickly in this case.
Ah,
Oh, okay.
thank you, sir, for your showing us the way, putting out from our misery, our shitting
So-
speakers.
They
Very
show
nice,
quick
very
job
nice from
creation.
you.
I just raised some shifted back in favor of the greenback.
I think I'm gonna stop the stream on Instagram because it's shit. Kick. Why did you write kick?
Like Discord.
You were asking the other streaming websites.
Ah, kick. So that's the name of
Yeah.
the kick.
Yeah.
Jesus, I'm feeling fucking old now. Right? I know YouTube and Instagram, and pretty much that's it. Kick my ass. So, let's read some comments. Tomasz, does this downward consider as market manipulation by the people in power to make money? Yeah, the evil market makers. Absolutely, they're waiting to rob your $200 account. Market does follow the news, but remember that we are currently on verge. Well, it started the change in monetary regime. The monetary policy is changing now. US started cutting interest rate. EU already cut interest rate at 60 basis points. So things are changing. China just announced a massive stimulus package, both monetary and fiscal. So if you think that the market doesn't follow news, it's because either the market, you have to change your logic and thinking to the opposite, or because you're stuck on news, which happened like 3 days ago, but market moved already. Let's redraw this one. We have 10 minutes. We have 10 minutes to jobless claims. What I'm expecting is this. Can you see the drawing?
Yes.
So I'm expecting a spike up, just another retouch of the pivots, and then continuation down to around 26.30, and then until tomorrow a move up back to the pivots, and the rest is depending on NFP, but pretty much that's what I'm expecting. So that's 40 pips away the pivots. I'm going to wait that 9 minutes for jobless claims. Do you want music or no?
Yes.
All right, that's going to be an extra $3, please.
I think it's Kai's turn to pay.
We're back in 50 pips profit. Oh my god. Gold, baby.
Oh, you long on gold.
Yeah, it's break even stop loss. So
By the way,
just gonna see
US
what happens.
30, sorry, US 30 is moving again. So, you know, I'm not gonna say go full margin, but
20. What?
it could drop. I'm not saying it will.
Maybe.
It could. Maybe. Who knows? Anything is possible.
My track record's not too great on that.
And gold is edging higher. Exactly what I was waiting for. Exactly what I was waiting for. Another retest of the pivots. And then a move down. That's what I'm expecting.
A move down upon the news.
Could be, yeah. Or just because I asked for it, you know. Goodwill.
Right.
Good karma.
Okay, so what do you think, guys? If we have, let's have a look on the jobless claims. Jobless claims is in the forefront of today's data. And also services PMI, it's very important. Do you know why is it important, services PMI, and not the manufacturing PMI?
Because most of it is service, the CBD.
The US economy is mostly a service-based economy. It is not a manufacturing economy. It does some very good Harley-Davidsons and, you know, things like that.
Ford.
But ultimately, it is a service-based economy, and 70% of the GDP comes from consumption. So the more our American friends consuming in the States, I'm not talking about burger, but the more they consume, the more they shop, the more they spend, the more money is changing hands, the stronger the US economy is going to be. So this is why the US ISM non-manufacturing PMI is fucking important. This one right here. S&P, not that much, but the ISM is very important. I won't be staying until, well, let's see, but most likely I won't be staying for another hour and 30 minutes because we have jobless claims. So first things first, we have jobless claims first. So if jobless claims comes as expected, higher, how do you think gold is going to react?
If it's higher jobless, then it's going up.
Why is that?
More people are claiming unemployment. It's not good
And
for the
that is a
economy.
sign of what?
Weakening labor market.
So before the rate cut, I would have said that if jobless claims goes up, then gold should go up because it's deflationary. But since we had the interest rate cut and the Fed was very clear that they're going to continue cut interest rate, the regime is changing. The maths, the equation is changing. Now if more people claiming unemployment benefit, there is a sign of a weakening economy, sign of a probable recession. Do you remember what happened in NFP when they printed a very low number, very low job creation, which is the opposite, or it's in line with the higher jobless claims, because the more they claim the less jobs available, the more claimant counts there is. So in my opinion, if we have higher jobless claims, that's going to send gold down to 26.30, 26.25. Higher jobless claims, yeah. And we have 3 minutes. I hope you follow me, but since the monetary policy has changed, the economics behind the decisions are changing as well. And this is why most people lose money, because they learn something, but when the market is changing, they are so stubborn or arrogant or ignorant to change. Or maybe they just don't have all the information. Maybe they just can't think like, okay, so a monetary policy changed. Should I change my bias? Yes, you should. So before, higher jobless claims would have mean deflationary, but now it's a sign of a recession. So, and yep, let's have a look, guys. We have 1 minute 56 seconds. So what I'm going to do is, can the members see my MetaTrader?
Yes.
All right. 55, yeah. Just entered into a sell position, and this is a speculative sell position, speculating that we are going to have a slightly higher jobless claims, which are going to temporarily send down gold based on a fear of recession. We have 1 minute 18 seconds. Richshak is asking sell or buy. Well, I'm selling based on the speculation that the jobless claims is going to be higher, and the fear of recession is going to send gold down a little bit, and most of the assets. But this is speculation. This is not recommendation, because this is highly speculative. So I'm going with the forecast. They say it's going to be higher, so it's not me, it's the analysts.
Would you not think in a time, so if you're an American citizen and you're like, oh God, we're going into a technical recession or something like that, you'd want to move your money into gold or something, like, because it's a,
No, I
obviously
don't know how
it's
they
an
think.
inflation hedge. I don't know, it's difficult.
Yeah, it's more of an inflation hedge, and when the recession really kicks in, that's when gold becomes recession hedging. And we have 15 seconds to go, ladies and gentlemen. Get your credit cards ready. Money is coming. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the jobless claims, is significantly. Price just jumped, but
Mine's
don't
not
see the
coming.
numbers yet. Can you see the numbers yet?
No.
225.
It's
Continuing is in line with expectation. So it did touch the pivot and immediately started pulling back. Now let's see if my bias was correct, that it touched the pivot and now it's pulling back. And because of the higher jobless claims, I'm expecting the opposite like a few months ago before the rate cut. So because of the higher jobless claims, I'm expecting a little bit of fear of recession. So price should pull back temporarily, so until NFP. But NFP is going to be good, so price is going to shoot through the roof. So yes, I'm selling gold. Who's with me?
Yeah. I guess in terms of a recession, you'd want to protect your money rather than sort of investing even more. Isn't that
Yeah,
a bit
unfortunately.
confused?
Yeah, unfortunately, it's only for those who have money.
Yeah.
Because small people, families, they have, they're protecting the family. It's not their money, because at the end of the month, they don't have any money left. Fortunately.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello.
Continuing jobless claims are slightly lower. Would that not matter?
Everything matters. ChatGTP.
Will the pivots hold?
ChatGPT, call, buy or sell.
Ah,
No, I'm using ChatGTP for text editing, and if I have an image to type out the signal, I just type it in, I type out the information on this image, and it does the job very well. Oh, 11 pips of profit,
Oh.
ladies and gentlemen.
it's good. It's good, yeah.
Very good. Very good. More money, more punani. Gapurov just say what? Blurred.
He obviously fancies you. He's got you on the big screen.
Yeah.
He's not even here for the charts.
Ooh, 17, 8, 21 pips of profit, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go full margin in it.
Hell
Biscuit to get the
Oh
biscuit.
my god, man.
26.35 incoming. Hell yeah. Look at that rejections on the daily pivot and the weekly pivot. We are going to make money. Very
I
nice.
hope so.
Yeah, market is slow. I do agree with that, but
Look at US 30 going black.
okay. So people who are watching on YouTube, it's 327 people of you. You already making money on this stream and yesterday and the day before, and there's only 47 people like the stream. So I would like to ask anyone, everyone, if you like the stream, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you, or hi Thomas, or doesn't matter. Just show me that, you know, this is an actual real people watching the stream, and then we will continue making money. Of course, when I re-enter, price goes higher. Oh, typical. We are real and making profit. Thank you. You're welcome, brother. Sometimes I feel there's the number of viewers is not real. I mean, 310 people watching. Easy pips. Now I started sweating for a minute when price was going up.
I just asked ChatGPT to clear up the issue that I had with the fear of recession and lower gold prices, and it gets a bit involved, doesn't it? It's very confusing.
It is, yeah.
Have you heard about the port strikes in America?
Yes.
Yeah, that happened on Monday.
Do you
didn't
think?
it?
Yeah. Do you think that will affect the price of gold or anything about
Charles?
NFT tomorrow? Apparently, it's
Charles,
costing
yeah,
the
yeah.
US. Apparently, it's costing the US government, the economy, $5 billion a day.
Yep. And how long does it take to get down on the supply chain, Guy?
I'm not sure.
So imagine that most companies run on an inventory, and since COVID and since the supply chain issues, there's very limited number of companies who do just-in-time kind of inventory. So
Yeah.
just-in-time was a very popular methodology in automotive industry or the car manufacturing industry, because they got all the parts and accessories just in time to finish the car, so they didn't have to build up massive warehouses to keep inventory. Now, during COVID, this was just, it was impossible to do it. So, they started restructuring the supply chains. They started stocking actually inventory. So, a delay or a strike in a port or train station or whatever, so part of a supply chain when they deliver goods from A to B, and if the supply chain breaks, that means the companies either must have huge amount of inventories and stocks to be able to survive. And the reason why it costs 5 billion a day, because the businesses won't be able to sell anything. And guess what? The US economy, 70% of the GDP comes from consumption. So if the supply chain breaks and American businesses can't serve American clients, so the supply stops, but there is demand, price is going to skyrocket, just as during COVID, and the US economy GDP is going to suffer a lot. And imagine that Christmas is 2 months away. October, well, actually 2.5 months away. It's a big problem. It's going to be a big problem.
That's a really good explanation.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Economics Daily, they have something where they said the US wholesalers and retailers front-loaded enough imports to buffer them against a strike lasting 2 weeks to a month. So that's exactly
Advertisement
what
paid
Tom
by the
said.
US government.
What's that, sorry?
Advertisement paid by the US government.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, I just saw a TikTok about it from this news guy that I followed just before I jumped on this call.
Sorry, what was there a question?
No.
Why not? Alright, 35 pips of profit, ladies and gentlemen. How nice is that?
It's a good candle.
Yeah.
I like.
Scam Crypto Hunter Real Trader. Oh, what a name. Big sell, I believe. 2600 lower. Yeah, man. Okay, those who would like to join the Alpha community to get daily analysis like this, which is running in almost 40 pips of profit, and we just came live. If you want to live trade NFP with me tomorrow, if you want to get the signals early in the morning or prior to the news, check the YouTube chat. I'm sending out a link, discount link, where you can join. So it is live trading mostly, with daily briefing, interpreting economics and finance, translating it to English for traders. Yeah, come and join. Oh shit, I forgot to invite Benz. Damn it. Very nice. It's coming down with US 30. Oh yeah. It's coming home. Oh yeah.
That US 30 support at like 41,900. You really think that could fall through?
What level?
Gonna
Sorry.
support 41,900. It's been a support for so long.
41,900.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. I think it's going to. It could break through, but we need a catalyst. I mean, US 30 is ranging for 3 weeks now. So once we break this support, obviously, we need that kind of data for it. For example, bad news from China. See you, Benson.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, Benson.
We need that kind of bad news, especially from China. But I think as soon as we have it, for example, if the stimulus package doesn't work for some reason, the monetary or the fiscal, then if China goes down, the US stock market will follow. I guarantee that. And position is running in 53 pips of profit.
56 pips profit.
Hogy vagy, Bence? How are you?
Everything is wonderful. Thank you so much. I'm also
So nice.
waiting on gold. Drop a little bit.
Long or short?
Basically, I'm looking to make a big buy from 2,633.
2,600.
33. Yeah, there is a small imbalance. What I'm waiting to fill up the price.
Yeah, that's our target as well.
To be honest, beginning of the week for me was excellent. We catch really nice buy on crude oil from 66.70. So we are up to 500 pips and up to 4%. And I have really nice buy on CAT GPY, what also played out very well.
Nice.
But yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, I have big loss on GU and GBP CAT. I don't know what was this drop in the morning, but it happened. So
what, the drop this morning?
GBP CAT.
GBP CAT, GBP USD.
Bank of England basically came out on they only had an interview with some newspaper, but they basically came out saying due to like the geopolitical tensions, they're basically a bit more hawkish on cutting rates faster, whereas before it was just a standard 25 basis points. So everything just had to reprice for a more aggressive cut.
Yeah, so I have to be honest, I missed this information. That time I was deep down in my dreams. So it is what it is. Loss is part of the Forex, you need to understand.
Why are you sleeping, Benson? Are you sleeping? If money never sleeps, why do you sleep?
Yeah, wake up.
But you know, I really like to let it work my money while I'm asleep. So yeah.
I think that the Great British Pound's devaluing today was really uncalled for. It was Bailey's interview with The Guardian, which is just a newspaper sort of thing. He just said, including his fears over a new oil price spike due to events in the Middle East.
Mate, if oil spikes, then we are going to have another rally of inflation.
Yeah.
Just as in the 1970s. Exactly the same scenario.
To be honest, on wheat, I am waiting $80.20.
I wish I bought that during COVID, man.
Yeah. You know, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, because you know I spend so much money to petrol. But if I'm making more on the other side, I can I can show off only my middle finger, nothing else.
Gold.
Those of you who don't know, Coben FX is a good friend of mine. Truly a great guy with a big heart and big muscles as well. Of course, he does day trading for a living as well. He is way more successful than I am, so
That's not true.
Yeah, it's different. I mean, you're the master of technical trading. with the smart money concept. I mean, you're truly one of the leaders of smart money concept. So follow him on Instagram. Give him a like. Let me just show you.
The situation is a bit difficult now because I have to be private because, you know, a few weeks ago one hacker hacked my Instagram and he claimed $5,000, but I told to him, better if you are going to standing in the corner and doing something funny because I will not pay. So it takes time to recover it, and yeah, now I'm
What, you lost your Instagram?
Yeah, I lost for 8 days.
But now it's back.
Yeah, but I'm asleep at that time, don't worry.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
okay, because
Make your
I'm just
password.
sharing your Instagram now.
Let me tell you the story. It's very crazy. So I have a 3-factor security, and the guy, for some reason, went behind the system and deleted everything, only changed the email address. So after he has an Instagram account, this is his job. He has a blue tick.
Yeah.
He just reposted my Instagram like I'm someone else famous guy. So Instagram blocked me, and every time when I want to recover it, Instagram sent the email address to the hacker email address.
No.
So I can log in. So I have to find a better hacker who help me, and yeah, that's the way how I get it back. But I was a bit afraid because I have to give for my hacker need to give my Facebook login. So after I just 30 minutes went through on my tooth, and I thought to myself, okay, if it's also gonna, I don't care. Someone else wants to this decision, so I just give it, and it was only the way how he can recover it, but it was big headache. Yeah, and I'm only spent $450 instead $5,000. Yes. Yeah.
But it's fixed now. But is it fixed now? You can access your Instagram, right?
Yes, I can accept everybody. Yeah. But it was very difficult situation, and I know the guy still doing the same each day with different people. Sometimes he catching people with 300 followers. And, you know, it can be big headache if someone making money from Instagram, like selling creams or hand creams or something else. But if you are forex trader,
lubes, lubricants.
Yeah, OnlyFans. You can imagine one of the lady paid $20,000.
Jesus. Yeah. But in the meantime, while we're talking about lubricants and OnlyFans, gold is dropping 55 pips. So keep on talking. Amazing.
Nice job. What do you have? Gold and US 30? Yeah, looks like.
Very nice. Good job. US 30 also. US 30 is running 55 and 63 pips of profit, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, maybe today started a bit difficult. Maybe there was a stop loss hit, but end of the day, you know, we're out. We're always in a win. Well, not always. Yushin on YouTube is asking, Tomasz, have any lose month? Yeah, I do have losing days and losing. Ben said, Peter Harry just sent you a request on Instagram.
Okay.
He's chatting on YouTube. Jack. Mootrax is in 60 pips
maybe
profit.
This Coben FX can be the, you know, how you've put the poll out for the new analyst, yeah, replacing Angelo.
I'm not sure if Coben.
Yes.
Basically, you know, on my Discord, I have several analysts, and one of them just departed because he's finding opportunities elsewhere. He's a very good guy, and someone just asked you if you would like to share some analysis in our group.
Yeah, definitely, bro. If you want, I know your main focus on gold. I don't know what is the best. If I giving analyze for gold, I think maybe better. It's up to you. Choose one pair or two, but not gold, because I don't want to go against my brother from the mother, and I don't want to confuse nobody else. So choose one or two pair, anything but one. You can make
Great British pounds, US dollar.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, that would
and
be nice. And you know,
yeah,
I
and
can.
if you want, I can make basically every week 2 times. Monday, what is my expectation, and after Wednesday, the following expectation. If it's good for you, I'm happy to assist for you, of course.
Yeah, I can do the
Boom.
same to you. I can do analysis
deal.
daily for you. If you help the guys out in my team, because obviously we need a good technical trader, because I'm just talking about economics. So I show yours. Oh, no, I show mine. You show yours. No, that doesn't sound good.
Yeah, but just not gold, you know, something else.
Yeah. It's conflict of interest.
The gold professor is Thomas. I'm just the Padawan.
Fuck me. Gold professor. Well, read 60 pips of profit. Good day today. US 30. Oh yeah, it is melting, baby. Big boy deals happening live, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, we are making business. Big business on YouTube. Thank you so much, Benza. Good guy.
You're welcome.
And gold is dropping. Are you in short on gold, Benza?
No, I'm just waiting 2,633 and after we will see. You know, basically
Yeah.
that was beginning of the week when I was expecting Monday after London session, the price made the break of market structure to the upside. But you know, in my example, technically there is a Asia open, there's always liquidity, and below I find some imbalance what the price doesn't fill up. And that last move was basically the previous weekly low. After we have break of market structure, so that's the reason why I'm still waiting the price to return to 2,633 and after buy. You know, overall for me still bullish, and the fundamental thing still indicates it should be goes higher.
Yeah.
But yeah, so it's my case. I'm only looking buy opportunity and not sell.
That's exactly. I completely agree with you, because if you take into consideration the geopolitical tension, the easing of monetary tightening, the everything that we talked about, the fundamentals, gold should go higher, but not yet. We have NFP tomorrow, and before that we have ISM PMI. Now ISM PMI is important because 70% of the US economy is service based. It's based on consumption. So not service, it's 70% of the GDP, US GDP is made up of the consumption. Now the more Americans consume, value added tax, the more money is changing hands, the better the economy. And this is why the service indicator is a good indicator for how well the US economy is doing. So ISM non-farming PMI or services PMI is coming up today at 4 o'clock, so in an hour and 5 minutes. And I think what could happen is that entry you just shared from your technical magic exactly lines up with my analysis. And if we have gold, in an hour, gold can drop to that level. It's going down. It's running in 70 pips of profit. And when it does come down, and when we have the ISM PMI, we could have the kind of number which have enough juice to send gold back to the channel. So go down, go back to the channel, exactly back to the daily and the weekly pivot until tomorrow when we have an FP. And from there, it can go up or it can go down, but most likely it's going to go up. And the other thing is because with the Israel conflict, did you notice that the war always escalated on a Friday? And the war kicked off on 7th of October, a day after NFP.
Yeah, that's very interesting. I haven't seen that, but yeah. And we can't do anything.
Exactly. So I bet $1 with everyone that war is going to escalate tomorrow. And NFP is going to move the market as well. And that is 70 pips, ladies and gentlemen.
So you're thinking new all-time high tomorrow?
Oh boy. 2,900.
Huh.
Why not 3,000 while we're at it?
Yeah.
You made 3,000.
I think first you need to target the previous weekly high, what is 2,686, and you know how is gold moving. So if it's past the previous weekly high, it should be moving extra 5,100 pips easily, because we know exactly above the previous weekly high there is liquidity what the price will be smashing down.
Yeah.
Right. So 2,700, 2,710, 2,720, something like that.
Yeah, that's definitely. I think if it's broke the previous weekly high, easily. What do you think, Thomas? 2,800 possible? Anything possible?
I'm eyeballing 2,000. I'm eyeballing 2,700 for now, keeping it very reasonable. And above that, anything is possible. You know, oil prices going up, and if the economy is heading into a recession, because you know what's going to happen. So it is a complete breakdown of how it could go. So if the war escalation continues, that's bad, but it's good for gold. Iran joined the party, so oil prices are going up. If oil prices are going up, that's going to affect the supply chain, that's going to affect the stock market. Stocks are going to plummet. The more stocks plummet, the risk off mode is going to turn on among investors. So they're going to go invest in gold rather than stock market. Risk off. So everything is pointing into the direction that gold is going to go higher. And JP Morgan just sent out an analysis or new forecast, $2,900 per ounce.
Thomas, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Okay, like the NFP, if NFA is going to come above 200 tomorrow, what do you think? 200K plus.
We'll see tomorrow. I don't know. If it comes up,
Like, do you expect the gold to go more down or more up?
Yeah.
1, 2,
Yeah,
1, 2.
good.
Is it better?
Yeah.
Better. Okay. So if it comes above 200, I think gold is going to continue higher, not lower.
Again, it might just go lower as well because Fed see that the market is still strong and they can hold up the rates for the longer time before doing another rate cuts.
No. That's the narrative of the past. The Fed is already on the way to cut interest rate. The stronger they want to see strong labor market because inflation is out of the way now. It's 2.5%. The job is almost down. So now they're focusing on the second mandate. Every central bank has a dual mandate. The first one is price stability. That's out of the way. The second one is full employment. So they want to see strong labor market. They want to see strong job market. So now you need to switch your thinking as before.
Thank you. Thank you, Thomas.
So Brainstorm has a question about money that Bence, Coben.
Yes, bro.
In percentage terms, because I'm not going to ask you how much money you make a year. In percentage term, how much yearly return do you make on your capital?
To be honest, I can make monthly, good month, I can make up to 10% with 0.5% risk. So you can calculate if it's a little bit more than double if I take it out every month at 10%. But if I'm going hard, I can make up to 200-300. It depends.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Insane.
To be honest, you don't following from here, but I have my best friend. He's like my brother, and he's taking all my trades. What I'm taking, 5% risk per trade. He starts the challenge with $1,000 at 22 of August, so a little bit more than 2 months. And I can check his account because I following. He don't has any forex knowledge, so sometimes I need to checking what's going on. And he has now $4,567, and he just taking exactly the same trades like me with 5% risk per trade.
Amazing.
Yeah. So, but you know, forex not easy like this. So with 1% you can calculate. It's way much smaller, but
yeah.
Still nice.
And just to add, like there is no. I think Bence or Coben FX can agree that there's no You can't make 10% or 5% every single month, so it's going to be up and down, up and down. The same as when you're trying to lose weight. You're going to gain weight, you're going to lose weight, so it's sometimes it stagnates, but on average, yeah, you can make good living out of Forex.
I think what is the most important, because I know lots of people start to make this job because you want to make lots of money. It's possible, but you need to understand it takes time.
But there's so many people commenting that Coben FX, next analyst in Alpha Group. They want you. Okay.
Thomas, please just make a vote. What do you want? Okay, Euro, USD, GPU.
Yeah, but hold on. It comes at a cost. If you want Coben FX in the Alpha FX group, it comes at a cost. You need to follow his Telegram, all of you. I need to see minimum 500 people liking his Telegram or joining, or what do you want to follow?
It's up to you. I don't mind.
Do you want more people on Telegram?
I would like help for you. But yeah, Telegram is fine. I have.
Yeah, if you send the link into the Discord, I can share it.
Yeah, you can follow it. Very good.
Pump and Dump is asking, and how do we copy his trades? You get a pen and you copy, you write it down. Okay, I'm sending the link into YouTube. How many followers do you have there, or subscribers?
At the moment, I have 4,427.
Fucking beast.
Yeah.
I'll show you a picture, Benza.
Let's see.
So because one of our analysts left the Alpha FX group because he's other plans, we're looking for the new analyst in the Alpha FX. Check your.
Nice. Looking pretty good. I am the middle one then, maybe.
Maybe.
But I hope I'm looking good behind this emoji.
You look always good.
Oh, is that I know
That
what
18.
picture you sent him, yeah.
Crazy. Guys, I have bad news for you. I have to go because my daughter finished in the school and she need to start the Forex Academy in 30 minutes.
Yeah, I was gonna say you should homeschool, man.
Yeah,
I'm not
and
gonna lie, tomorrow
after
I have time, so if you are straight the NFP, I will be here with you. Please make the vote and the poll, and I'm happy to help for everybody.
awesome. Don't forget to bring the little one to the gym as well to pump.
Definitely.
Anyway, have a good one, Benza. See you later.
Thank you very much. See you later,
Hey,
guys.
peace out, big man.
Wish all the best for you and shitloads of money for today.
Thank
See
you.
you later.
Yes, sir.
Take care, Thomas. Kiss for your family. Goodbye.
Bye.
Mm.
I'm gonna call it the day as well. We're still running in 50 pips profit. I think the highest was about 80 pips or something. Let me just see. Yeah, 81 pips. Let's call it 85 pips of profit. Yeah, good day again. Don't hold your breath. Maybe it's time to take profit. All I want to say is thank you so much, guys, for the continued support. I love you all. Tomorrow is NFP. Don't forget that Forex is offering a 50% deposit bonus. So instead of blowing your own money, use the deposit bonus and get some extra margin for trading. The link is below the video. Use it. Oh no, actually, I'm going to share the link because it's not in the video. Anyway, I'm going to post it in Telegram. I'm gonna call it today. Thank you so much, guys. Tomorrow we are going to live trade
And then,
NFP.
since you're coming, will require that you need my attention.
No, man.
No.
Thanks, Thomas.
Have a good
See you,
one.
man.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Have a nice
And don't
evening.
forget, 53 minutes ISM services PMI. That's
Oh,
going
boy.
to move
Yes.
the market.
Yes,
Take
yeah.
some profit.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Everyone.
Tomorrow,
Sell.
meeting room.
Bye.
Sell. So ladies and gentlemen who left on the stream, if you made some money today, invest in your future education. Go to my Telegram. I'm sharing the link right now. And use the discount on... No, actually I'm sharing the link in on the YouTube chat. If you made some money, invest it in your education. If you want daily morning briefing and daily live trading with me, use that link, the discount link, and join the alpha trading community. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good one. Yes, there is. Yes, you can pay by crypto. Here's the address. There you go. There's the address. Pinta. Thank you so much, guys. Love you all, and see you tomorrow for NFP.